Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I did a video making this. I thought this would be super cute for Teacher Appreciation Day. Just something cute that they can kind of hang on their door or someplace in their classroom, and you could add like a little gift card. I just thought it was cute. Just a little touch of personality for them. But it did not tape, it did not record. So I'm going to just quickly walk you through what I did. So I bought this board at the Dollar Tree. It's a chalkboard. And I printed this out, the Mrs. B, on shimmer vinyl. And I actually made the pencil and the apple. But these actually were a lot of fun to make and super easy. All I did was find a pencil and an apple on Cricut, and then I welded it so it would be like one piece. And I cut it with basswood, a sheet of basswood. And then I took a pencil lightly and I kind of just made the lines so I would know, the difference on what area to color. And I just painted it with acrylic, and then I used shellac spray. And it was really cute, you guys. I think it's super cute. And then I just used 2 crayons. And I got two cute ribbons from Amazon. This is ABC 123. And all I did was staple it on the back. And I can cut this and make it look a little bit better. And then I made a bow with this ribbon, and that was all I did. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, let me know. And thanks for watching my video. And if you're a first time watching my video and you like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks, you guys. Bye.